Hello, Body Fangs, walk to the push. Guys, have you ever seen this little animal called a verkleersmannetjie? A four-colored mannetjie? No. A comedian? No. A chameleon? Ja, it look like a baby lugger wagon, but it's got these beady eyes that kyk rond soos 'n klein rooikop laaitjie wat net gevang is, rondkyk tabak rook. Ja, and it changes color. Whatever it sit on, it become that color there. Like if it sit on a tack, it become brown. If it sit on a blaartjie, it become groen. It look beautiful. Look at this. Ja, wee. Now what are so bloody amazing about this, nee? When I have little babies, like this. Beautiful, can you see it? Nature is so bloody beautiful, nee? It look like a little acadus, but it's got this long tongue that it catches flies there. Yeah, fun fact. Okay, thanks.